Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide. So in today's video I am comparing three smartphones: Lumia 730 dual SIM smartphone and Lumia 820 and Lumia 930. Microsoft devices launched all the three devices in India and they will go on sale in the month of October. The Lumia 730 dual SIM smartphone goes on sale from 6 October at a price tag of Rs 15,299, while the Lumia 830 goes on sale from 8 October at a price tag of Rs 28,799. The Lumia 930 goes on sale in India from October 5 at a price tag of Rs 38,649. The Lumia 730 features 4.7-inch clear OLED display with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, while the Lumia 830 features 5-inch clear back IPS LCD curved display with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The Lumia 930 features 5-inch clear back AM or LED display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. All the three devices have pretty good resolution and the viewing angles are pretty good. And all three devices runs on Windows Phone 8.1 operating system with the Lumia Denim update. The Lumia 730 dual SIM smartphone is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor, while the Lumia 830 is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor, while the Lumia 930 is powered by 2.2 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor. The Lumia 730 dual SIM smartphone features 1 GB RAM and 8 GB inbuilt memory. The inbuilt memory on Lumia 730 dual SIM smartphone can be increased further up to 128 GB, whereas the Lumia 830 features 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. The inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 128 GB on Lumia 830. The Lumia 930 features 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB, and there are no options to increase the inbuilt memory. All three devices come with nearly same connectivity features like Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, LTE connectivity, and NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. The Lumia 730 dual SIM smartphone packs 2220 mAh battery. The 830 packs 2200 mAh battery, while the Lumia 930 packs 2420 mAh battery. And according to company claims, on battery on all the devices lasts longer. The Lumia 730, 830 and 930 on the bottom features micro USB slot, while there is no micro USB slot on Lumia 930. At the top on Lumia 730 dual SIM smartphone there is a 3.5mm audio jack. On 830 there is a 3.5mm audio jack with micro USB slot for data transfer and charging, and on 930 it has a 3.5mm audio jack with a SIM slot, and it has micro SIM card slot and can be easily removed. On the right hand side of the device, the Lumia 730 features power key and volume rocker button. The Lumia 830 features camera key, power key, volume rocker button, while on Lumia 930 there is a volume rocker button, power key and camera key. On the left hand side of the device there are no physical buttons available, as you can see that. On camera front, the Lumia 730 features 5 megapixel camera which is capable of recording 720 pixels video. The Lumia 830 features 0.9 megapixel camera, while the Lumia 930 features 1.2 megapixel camera. At the back, Lumia 930 has 20 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, dual LED flash, Nokia branding, microphone and speaker. While the back camera on Lumia 830 is of 10 megapixel, it has autofocus and pure view feature. The lens is of these optics. It has optical image stabilization and LED flash. While on the Lumia 730, it has 6.7 megapixel camera with LED flash. The back camera is capable of recording 1080 pixels video. And the build quality of all the devices is pretty good, and you depending on the amount you want to spend on while buying the smartphone, you can choose any of the devices, as all three devices fit in different price segment. The Lumia 730 is under 15k sub range, the Lumia 830 is under 30k range, and the Lumia 930 is under 40k range. All the devices will come with 1 TB storage, 1 terabyte storage space, and it is available up to 6 months. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.